Supergirl Iya,
Superboy Marcus, Superboy Miko, Superboy Allen,
and Superboy Hair.
And nandito kami ngayon sa dressing room na medyo iba today, okay, ng ating grand finalist.
Yes, for the Pinoy boy band superstar
Grand Reveal.
online on Facebook
Live! I'm sure inaabangan nyo to kasi nasa mga huling FB Lives na tayo, oh my goodness. So,
Dahil dyan, ano ang Kiligiti Challenge natin for today ay?
dahil nga medyo nasa last weekend na tayo, no?
Oo.
Ang Kiligiti na challenge natin for today ay paano sila magpapaalam sa isang taong mahal nila. Pero ina-assure naman nila na hindi sila mawawala kahit na aalis sila.
Kasi nga, ang dami na nating nare-receive na messages from our super fans na mamimiss ko kayo.
Oo.
Last two episodes na lang, ganun. So guys, this is their way of saying goodbye. Pero wait lang, hindi nila kayo iiwan.
Yes! Okay,
Okay.
umpisahan natin sa Superboy!
Okay!
Oh, Superboy
Okay.
Miko.
Sige, Superboy Miko daw.
Miko,
Okay.
okay.
Sino? Kanino siya?
Sige, ikaw muna.
Ako muna. Okay. Miko, why do you have to go?
Hi guys.
Naliligo sila dyan.
Ang lala nung may naliligo.
Tapos talaga sa oras. Okay.
Okay, Miko, why do you have to go?
Punta lang ako ng Canada para magtrabaho. Para din to sa ating dalawa.
Pero bakit pupunta kang Canada?
Wala kasing opportunity dito. Mas maganda pag...
Wala ako doon.
Hirap nga ano.
Natitensya, kinakabahan siya.
I-assure mo siya na hindi ka naman mawawala.
Hindi na mawawala. Dito lang ako. Yung my spirit is with you.
Kaluluwa.
Hindi kita iiwan.
Mimiss mo ako doon?
Kaya ko long distance relationship.
Ay talaga? Eh, di ba doon kayo nag-break ng ex mo?
May revelation. Yung pala ang the grand reveal. Thank you, Superboy Miko! Okay guys, by the way, ayan yung dressing room ngayon. Medyo
Yan si
iba.
Allen.
Okay, Allen! Okay. Allen.
Now.
Okay, alam mo na
ikaw
yung
naman.
challenge? Okay.
Okay. Magpapaalam na.
Ay,
Yes.
sa'yo.
Okay. Allen, alis ka na ba talaga?
Kailangan ko pong umalis. Ayan mo, babalik din ako. Magpupuntahan lang ako para, alam mo na, may bibilin lang.
Pero hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal ka mawawala. Sino yung mga mamimit mo dun?
Saglit lang ako. Mamaya mga alas 7 nandito na ulit ako.
Gano'n lang kabilis.
Oo. Hindi mo kasi tinatanong saan ako pupunta eh.
Saan ka ba pupunta?
Bibili lang ako ng regalo para sa'yo. Kalimutan mo ata, mansari natin ngayon, no? Kita mo?
Sorry na ako naman. Nakalimutan ako. Ako naman yung manlalapit. Sorry, Allen.
Ang galing ni Ali.
Galing niya.
Di mo na... Ayoko na, hindi na ako alis.
Yun, yun ang maganda doon. Hindi na siya aalis. Thank you, Allen.
Thank you po. Mamaya online show, 6:30 p.m. Doon kami, ha?
Good job, Superboy Allen. Next, Superboy.
Marcos!
Marcos. Asan? Okay, tawagin po natin si Marcos. Nakita niyo ba si Marcos? Ayun, si Marcos. Okay. Hello, hubby.
Bakit ka hip-hop today?
Bakit marami tayong bling-bling?
Okay.
DJ Khaled.
Game.
Ay, ikaw ang
Alam mo na yung Kiligiti
girlfriend.
Challenge for today.
Not yet.
Okay. So magpapaalam ka sa taong mahal mo, aalis ka pero hindi mo siya iiwan. Okay? Long distance, parang gano'n.
LDR.
Oh, dahil nga ang daming mga super fans na sa separation anxiety na sa ating last two episodes.
No.
Stepang.
Okay? Okay. Let's do it. Go.
Yo. Daming,
May
Senti
feels,
na.
may feels. Tama?
my feels it.
Oh.
Ay, sa akin nagbabay.
Ay, ikaw yung girlfriend.
Okay lang yan.
Wala.
I'll be back soon, and just to let you know that all I'm doing is for you, and so that we can be together again. Mabungo ba ako?
Yun na.
Bango.
Hindi mo ba kami mamimiss?
Ayoko kasi feels eh.
Open up,
emotional niya,
Marcos.
guys.
Open up.
Sige na, ano mamimiss mo?
Your eyes, your smile, your blonde hair,
Blue eyes.
blue eyes.
Yung mga gusto ko marami sa babae.
Mga type eh.
Medyo.
Yeah, but
basta.
really, how do you feel ba, Marcos?
I feel like I sacrificed a lot coming here to the Philippines, pero
Oh, we feel you, we feel you.
But in the end, it's all been good. So I met so many good people. I met my 2 wives here.
Kami yun, guys.
And I met all my brothers and I met all the staff of the Pinoy boy band. It's been great. All the stylists, Liza Sobrano, you know.
Liza.
So yeah, it's all been great. And kahit LDR, I'm not a good fan of LDR, pero sa mga naga-LDR dun, I fully support you. Idol ko kayo kasi it's sobrang hirap and I'm just wow, like, pwede.
Okay.
We'll miss you too, Marcos.
Thank you, Marcos. Okay?
Grabe, ito na ang simula ng pag-i-emo ng mga Superboys. Hands! Okay, come here, hands. Medyo maliit po ang dressing room. Okay, hi, hands! Parang medyo tiba-tiba ako sa mga hugs.
Oo nga eh. Parang it's your lucky day.
Oh, hands, magbababay ka sa akin na. Okay. Hands, are you really leaving?
I am leaving.
Where are you gonna go?
Somewhere down the road.
In the land down under?
Yeah, good day, mate.
But I can't let you go.
But you have to let me go.
Why?
For us.
For us? How is that for us?
I'm leaving because it will be good for us, you know.
How is that good for us?
Because we've been, lagi na lang araw-araw, we see each other. So, I think we need to see other people. It doesn't mean we're breaking up. It's just that
What does that mean?
we just need some time off. Like, try to find ourselves, you know.
Okay.
You might want to do something else besides being with me, you know, find your interests, your hobbies, all that stuff. Maybe travel. That would be good for your spirit, your soul.
Okay.
I hope you understand.
Parang hindi kami prepared sa Kilikiti Challenge na na-breakan siya.
Oo nga, dapat kiligin ako eh.
I didn't say break. I just said find ourselves.
Oh, deep pala tong si
Iba
Hen.
raw yung break sa find ourselves tsaka see other people.
Yeah.
Sige, okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Hen.
Sorry guys.
Okay,
Masyado
so,
malungkot.
Hindi ka ba nai-emo ngayon na last weekend na?
No, medyo emo na hindi ko na sila makita every weekend, the fans. Pero for sure magkikita-kita pa tayo outside Pinoy boy band. I love you guys.
Okay.
Okay. Meron pa ba tayong Superboy? Ay, hindi. Talagang grand finalist na tayo. Tony! Okay, here. Okay.
Hello.
Tony!
Hi.
The Ligeti challenge is you're gonna say goodbye to someone you love, but you're gonna assure her na hindi ka naman mawawala kahit naalis ka.
Okay. Baby, I'm leaving and I'm going somewhere very far away, but I want you to know that I'll always be in your heart and that everything I do is for you. I know it might seem like I don't care, or it may seem like I'm so far and you might be so lonely, but just know that I'm only one call away. I'll always be with you in spirit, and that our love for each other is much stronger than just distance.
But
And
I'm afraid you're gonna meet someone else there.
I only have eyes for you, so that's not possible. Just because if you love me the way I love you, then you would know that you should trust me wholeheartedly, because I am so completely in love with you. So
Okay, winner na yun. Thank you, Tony! Woo! Bakit sinabi niya lahat ng gustong marinig ng mga girls, no? Kapag may nagbababay.
Nakasento siya mga kaibigan.
Alam mo, parang maganda rin dito, no? Okay.
Hindi ay.
Okay, dito tayo. Ford, ang Kilikiti challenge natin for today ay paano ka magpapaalam sa isang taong mahal mo, pero ina-assure mo pa rin siya na hindi ka naman talaga mawawala kahit naaalis ka. Okay? So, ikaw ang girlfriend?
Okay ako.
Okay. Ford, ba't mo ako iiwan?
Hindi naman kita iiwan. Pupunta lang ako doon, makipagbandi lang ako sa mga kaibigan ko kasi ang tagal na namin di nagkikita eh.
Pero
Baka
ba't
sana
ang tagal? Bakit 6 months?
Kasi nga dahil, syempre, lagi tayo magkasama. Kailangan ko lang bigyan sila ng konting panahon. Eh, alam mo naman lagi tayo magkasama, di ba?
Pero
Ano naman
miss mo
mahal
ako?
kita?
Promise?
Syempre, I love you.
Text mo ako? Text mo ako?
Text kita.
Tawagan mo ako?
Oo, tatawagan kita.
Thank you, Ford. Na-assure ka naman.
Oo, na-assure ako. I love you eh.
Thank you, Ford. Grabe kapag nag-I love you sila, no? Wait lang, yung suot po ni Tristan. Ito ata yung pantulog niya.
Tristan, bakit ganito?
Okay. Kaya natin to. Super fans, kaya nyo ba to? Okay,
Guys!
wait lang! Tristan, oy, paandar eh. Tapos ka na ba? Ito na yung challenge. I think dito palang assured na tayo. Okay.
Ay, si may hair mo kasi.
Bagong ligo naman kasi kanina nakita po natin, nag-shampoo siya, ano.
Haggard, guys.
Yan. Okay. Hi, Tristan. Ang gwapo naman nito.
Hi!
Okay, Tristan, ang ating Kiligiti Challenge ay paano ka magpapaalam sa isang taong mahal mo, pero ina-assure mo pa rin siya na hindi ka naman mawawala kahit na aalis ka. Okay, so ikaw ang girlfriend.
Okay.
Okay.
Tristan, ba't ka aalis?
Alam mo, kahit umalis man ako ngayon,
Oh. Kinikilig ako. Oh, ano? Oh, alis ka ngayon.
umaalis man ako ngayon. Kinikilig. Aalis lang ako ngayon.
Ano?
So, isipin mo na babalik ako sa piling.
Eh, paano kung may iba kang babae?
Hindi ako mababae.
Promise?
Dahil ikaw lang babae sa puso.
Promise?
Promise.
Tapos kailan ka babalik?
Lalabas lang ako sa pinto, babalik na agad ako.
Ah, talaga? Sige. Ang dali pala kausap ni Tristan.
Lagi. Lagi yan.
Okay.
Thank you, Tristan.
Thank you, Tristan.
Photo
Sino?
niya ako.
Joao.
Wow. Nag-aayos niya dito siya.
Guys, may tuwalya. Kakaligo lang daw niya.
Mga pa-biceps ng mga grand finalists.
Okay.
Okay, Joao. Ang Kiligiti Challenge natin is, paano ka magpapaalam sa isang taong mahal mo while assuring her that hindi ka naman mawawala kahit na aalis ka, sandali lang. Parang LDR, ganon.
Sanay ka dyan.
Okay. Ay, ano nangyayari? May announce lang daw, guys. Wait lang. May ina-announce.
ba yan? Kasi may
Okay.
FB Live.
Very.
Confi.
Okay, wait lang. Labas muna tayo, guys, kasi may confidential niya announce. Secret muna para mamaya ma-surprise tayong
Ikukwento
lahat.
muna namin yung mechanics for tonight.
Okay.
Talagang kay Joao nag-stop, no?
Medyo pabitin, guys. Okay,
So
ano ba
guys,
yun?
mamayang gabi magpa-perform lahat ng 7 nating grand finalists. At by the end of the episode, malalaman natin kung sino yung unang miyembro ever ng Pinoy Boy Band Superstar.
Oo, ng ating superstar boy band na hanggang ngayon ay wala pang name. So, pwede kayo mag-create ng boy band name. Ay, hindi, tapos
Hindi
na
na,
pala
tapos
yung
na.
submission. Sorry. Pero yon, bukas natin malalaman kung ano ba yung magiging pangalan at kung sino yung 5 talaga na bubuo sa ating superstar boy band.
Yes, and again, para makapanood ng online show, pupunta lang kayo sa boyband.ph. Makakasama natin ang super boys na sina Marcos,
What's up?
Miko,
Hello.
Henz,
Na nasa loob?
Allen. Nasa
And
loob.
Allen.
Kasama dun sa mga briefing sa loob, over there. Pwede na tayo pumasok!
Okay. Ano kaya yung announcement na yon? Oy, Marcos, kamusta naman yung buhok mo raw? Okay, back to ito Kiligiti Challenge. I think nagdi-discuss sila kung ano yung suotin niya mamaya. Okay. Joao. Okay. Kiligiti Challenge is, alam mo na. So, papaalam ka, okay? Okay. Alright. Ikaw si girl.
Okay, okay.
You want to...
Babe, I'm just gonna go with my friends tonight, alright?
Hindi long distance relationship.
Ano ba sabihin ko? Oo nga,
Go with your friends?
papaalam ako. Ano ba? Di ba nagpapaalam ako sa'yo?
Iiwanan mo yung mahal mo.
Oo.
Oh, I'm gonna leave my girlfriend na.
Yes, like you're gonna work here in Manila or something.
Oh, parang gano'n.
So I'm gonna leave her.
Oo,
I'm not
pero
gonna
kayo
break
pa
up.
rin.
Okay.
Oo, gano'n.
Okay.
Babe, I have something important to tell you. I'm going abroad to work. I hope you understand that even though I'm far away from you, things will never change. Things will still be the same with you.
No.
And me. Don't be like. You'll understand.
You have girls there. They'll want you there.
They'll want me there, but you're the only girl I want.
But why do you have to
That's-
leave me?
I'm not leaving you.
You're leaving me.
I am, but it is not for. I'm doing this for us. All right. Oh, for us.
Bakit?
Ba't ka tumatawa?
Bakit
You
for us?
understand? It's for future, for a baby, right?
Huh?
That's
What?
it.
Ano? I love it
Okay
po.
din, okay din.
Talaga.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks, Joao.
Thanks, Joao.
Okay, lahat po talaga sila ay medyo nagpe-prepare na for tonight. Okay, Russell! The Kilikili challenge for today is you have to say goodbye to the girl you love while assuring her that you really won't disappear from her life. You're just leaving. Okay? So, first pretend that you have a girlfriend. And that you're leaving
And that you
her.
were able to court this girl.
Highly unlikely.
Like, imagine you're leaving, she's from Chicago, you're leaving her and because you have to work here in the Philippines. Okay, like that. Ay. Game. I'm the girlfriend from Chicago. Russell, do you have anything to tell me?
I really enjoyed doing homework with you. You made my grades really better.
I'm glad to know that.
I gotta go.
Why?
My grades need to be better.
Where are you going?
The Philippines.
But you're gonna meet other girls there. You're gonna meet a lot of people there.
Well, none of them can do my homework as good as you can.
I feel so good about my role in your life, Russell.
You should. You made my grades really good.
I feel so special.
You always made sure that I wasn't hungry and that my room was always clean when I was being too lazy to clean it. You always made sure that I folded my clothes.
Am I your tutor or your nanny? I'm confused.
Or your mother.
Or your mother.
Well, my mom really likes you. And I really like you.
Mommy Linda.
Hi, Mom. Love you. Okay.
Is that how you assure the girl that you love that you're not gonna disappear from her life?
Yeah, pretty much.
Very nice.
Okay.
Russell is very consistent.
Yes.
As in,
Fantastic. Awesome.
very nice. Okay. Go ahead and live shows, Russell.
Yeah.
Yay.
Don't talk too much. Reserve your voice. Who else? Who else? Mark Hoblaya. Oh, there. Okay. Mark.
Hi!
Kilikili challenge. Mark, paano ka
Yeah.
magpapaalam sa taong mahal mo?
Nang ganito yung buhok ko?
Pero na-assure mo siya na hindi ka naman mawawala.
may paano.
May
Tingnan mo
pa-biceps, so.
Okay.
Okay, parang imagine mo para maglo-long distance relationship kayo. Ganon.
Gentleman niya.
Gentleman.
Salamat.
Okay, game.
Hindi, kami yun. Ikaw.
Kayo ba?
Ay, ako yung girlfriend. Oh,
Yes,
sige.
yes.
Mark, ba't mo ko iiwan?
Hindi naman kita iiwan. May kailangan lang akong gawin, pero hindi ako mawawala sa'yo.
Text mo ko.
Lagi kitang iti-text, lagi pa rin tayo. Parang hindi tayo, parang hindi tayo magkakalayo. Gagawin ko lahat ng paraan para hindi mo maramdaman na magkalayo tayo. Like, lagi kitang i-update, lagi kitang tatawagan, lagi tayong mag-Skype, lagi tayong lahat.
Promise?
Yes.
Bibisitahin mo ko?
Oo naman, pag may time. Kasi syempre magiging busy lang ako, pero hindi ako totally mawawala sa'yo. Tandaan mo. Promise.
I'm convinced.
Realistic siya.
Gusto ko yan.
Thank you, Mark. Realistic ang kanyang
Okay.
approach. Okay, si
Si
Neil.
Neil na lang ang hindi pa natin na...
Asan si Neil? Uy, nawawala po si Neil.
Sige, pasilip natin.
Okay.
Guys, dahil ang ano natin, Kilikili Challenge today, may pa-muscles. Muscles.
Ayun o.
Muscles. There.
Marcos.
Muscles. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
You know, nag-workout po siya.
Okay, next.
Okay, who else? Tony! Tony, pa-abs ka naman dyan.
No!
Yeah, go abs! Bawal ba?
No abs.
Ay, no abs.
Oh my God, guys. Okay.
Grabe.
Okay. And, ito.
Sino? Ayun eh. Ayun tayo eh.
Ano ba meron na? Something
Okay. Who else? Ayun na si Neil!
Sayang si Ford.
Neil! Oh, asan si Ford? Ford! Wait lang, Neil ha. Ford?
Muscles.
You know? Woo! More.
Wala na, ito na yun. Wala na,
Pa-abs. Okay. Ay, bawal pala absod. Okay, Neil. Kilikili challenge lang tayo. Dito tayo.
Okay.
Okay.
namin sa'yo kahapon to.
Oh. Okay, Neil, dito ka. Para kita ka. Are you excited for the Kiligiti Challenge?
Hindi.
Lapit ka dito, Neil.
Excited ka na kaya for this?
Oo nga, okay, sige. So, Nila, magpapaalam ko sa taong mahal mo, okay? Pero i-assure mo siya na hindi ka naman mawawala, aalis ka lang, okay?
Okay. Ako ba ulit to? O ikaw?
1, 2, 3, go.
Neil, ba't mo ko iiwan?
Hindi naman kita iiwan eh. Babalik naman ako.
Pero iiwan mo nga ako.
Oo nga, pero para sa atin naman to, di ba? Ang ginagawa ko para...
May miss mo ba ako?
Oo naman, bakit hindi? Yun na.
Layo na. Pero hindi ka ba sanay sa mga ganong eksena, Neil? Hindi.
Talaga, kahit na taga Cebu ka, paano yun? Kunyari, iiwanan mo sa Cebu yung mahal mo, tapos dito ka kasi magtatrabaho, paano mo sasabihin yun?
Hindi, sabihin ko sa kanya na syempre, di ko siya iiwan, tsaka ang ginagawa ko to para sa kanya at alam naman niya na mahal ko siya at di ko siya kayang ipagpalit sa iba. Ano?
Ipapaintindi mo lang sa kanya. Oh, thank you, Neil! I-explain niya pala. Okay, so, back to muscles. Asa na ba? Asa bang magpapamuscle?
Ay, ayun si Tristan.
Tristan!
Muscle.
Pamuscle ka naman, Tristan. Lahat sila. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Oh, there. Okay.
Oh, let's go daw.
So, ngayon naman, guys, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang stage. Ang napakaganda nating stage dahil outdoors tayo ngayon. At super special talaga ngayon.
Dahil naka-pajama party princess gown kami.
Okay. Super special ang lahat. Pati yung ating Kiligiti room ay nasa labas ngayon. At ito, papakita na namin sa inyo kung saan siya. Oops! Nahulog ang aking phone. Okay, there. And, saan ba tayo bababa? Dito. Okay. Hi! Andito tayo ngayon sa ABS-CBN.
So, dito yung hallway kung saan sila dumadaan.
Yeah. Hi, Kuya Marshall!
Hello po!
Hello!
Wow! Sila ang nagbabantay sa atin para hindi tayo tinatalunan ng kahit sino.
And again, guys, yung mechanics, mamaya magpo-perform ang ating 7 grand finalists. At abangan nyo rin, pwede na bang sabihin kung ano yung ipo-perform nila? Ay, hello, Kuya Eric! Hello po! Thank you po!
Malaglag ka ha!
Okay.
Justin,
Sana pala nag-elevator tayo. Hi, Justin! Okay. So, pwede ba natin sabihin kung sino yung judge na nakaka-perform?
Oo naman. Ito na nga, guys. May first ever na performance si Judge Dara after everything.
Yes, after the announcement.
Everything. Tapos,
Yes.
naka-heels siya, ganyan. Tapos kasama
nga.
niya yung boys.
Alam natin na
Very exclusive
hindi
yan.
nag-heels si Judge Dara, di ba?
Tinutour
Sa
lang
mga
namin dun sa
performance.
ABS-CBN.
Pero,
Minsan kasi studio tours din kami.
para sa Pinoy boy band superstar, ay
Yeah.
mag-heel siya.
Pero ito na, ipapasilip namin ang online show set and ang totoong set for the grand reveal. Wow!
Kayo ang unang makakakita nito.
Of course, pwede kayo makipajama party with us. Just come here. Contact Miss Ivy Gallegos.
Yes, i-check niyo yung social media accounts ng @boybandph para malaman paano maka-join, okay?
Okay.
Malapit na tayo! We are nearing the exit. So, ito ang una natin makikita yung Kiligiti room. So, ito na. Nasa labas na
yan
tayo.
na.
Ito na ang ating Kiligiti room. Woohoo! Kita ba? Ito-focus natin doon. Ay, medyo hindi kita kasi overexposed. So, pakita lang natin ang slide. Okay. Wait lang.
Struggle po. Ano? May mga
Ayan na! Yes, may mga beanbags. Talagang
Okay.
slumber party siya. Ready na kami for the biggest pajama party
Doon.
ever. Hello po, mga kuya. Ayan siya. Of course, nandun pa rin si Happy Pete, ang nagmamatsyag sa atin. Okay. Uy, it's boy band Nico. Alright. So, ito naman, katabing-katabi lang ng Kiligiti room. Hello po. Katabi lang ang stage natin. Ayan na!
Ayan na, guys.
Okay. So, lapit tayo ng konti para mas makita nyo.
Hindi, ayun na yan.
Ayun na yun.
Oo,
Okay.
todo na yan para ma-excite sila.
Ganyan kalaki po yung stage natin. At katabing-katabi ng Kiligiti
At
Room.
mga 2,000 na tao ang titili mamaya para sa ating The Grand Reveal.
Talagang yung 500 female audience natin lumevel up for today sa The Grand Reveal. So guys, abangan nyo yun mamaya on ABS-CBN at 7:15 p.m.
Yes.
And of course, huwag natin kalilimutan ang online show mamayang 6:30 p.m.
on boyband.ph. So this has been your Supergirl Iya
and your Supergirl Ai
for Pinoy Boy Band Superstar Online on Facebook Live.